about bird wings and how they use them to fly. We're going to use the parakeets, finches, and canaries as a demonstration. Talk about 4 different types of wings. To get started, we're going to start at number 1. Elliptical wings give their owners the ability to maneuver in tight spaces and fly quickly in shared bursts, but they're not very efficient for staying airborne for long periods of time. Active soaring wings, which are long and narrow, they are especially common among seabirds. Passive soaring wings are somewhat shorter and wider than active soaring wings, making takeoffs easier. Big island flying birds such as eagles and vultures often have passive soaring wings. Number 4. High-speed speed wings are adapted, as you can probably guess, for speed. The long, slender, and pointed. Falcons have this type of wing. The long feathers are commonly referred to as the flight feathers. Birds have some of the basic bones inside their wings that they have in your arms. The humerus in the upper part of the limb, the radius and ulna in the lower part of the limb, and the smaller, delicate bones of the hand and fingers. Birds' bones are also filled with tiny air pockets, another adaptation for flight, which makes them lightweight while remaining very strong. Birds' wings flap with an up and down motion. This propels them forward. Now that we're done talking about a bird's wings, we're going to tell you about how they actually take off and fly. Next, we're going to talk about how birds actually take off and fly. First, there is lift. The bird flaps its wings, air moves faster over the upper surface of its wings and body. That reduces the surrounding air pressure and lifts the bird higher into the sky. Second, drag. The resistance caused by the force of air pushing against the bird. Third, weight. Because birds have hollow bones and lightweight feathers, this allows birds to move higher in the air against the pull of gravity. Fourth, thrust. The bird flaps its wings rapidly to create a forward motion needed to take off and propel into the air. Now that I've told you about bird wings and how they take flight, we're going to show you a bird demonstrating. Thanks for watching. That's all we have for you today. I hope you tune in next time. Over